La tierra's pa ti, para mí.
This land was made for you and me, say these lyrics. This group says they will only ring true if the Supreme Court upholds President Obama's executive order. The justices will decide whether Obama has the power to shield more than 4 million undocumented immigrants from deportation and give them the freedom to work. Lower courts have ruled against the presidential order, and the administration appealed to the nation's highest court. 3-year-old Kevin was born here and is legal. His mother, Brenda Barrios, is not.
I am human. I have a right in here.
But the human aspect is not what the court will ultimately decide. Did the president violate the Constitution? Mark Krikorian with the Center for Immigration Studies says yes.
This is actually the president making new policy by giving work permits and social security numbers and driver's licenses to millions of illegal immigrants. And that's a policy change that is reserved really only to Congress.
The White House disagrees.
Just as a matter of common sense and by consulting recent presidential history, we feel confident that there is a strong precedent that exists.
Meanwhile, at the Latino Resource and Justice Center CARECEN, employees are explaining the case to clients and getting their paperwork ready to prove they can stay in the U.S. Executive Director Abel Nuñez says only vetted immigrants are eligible.
They have to ensure that they haven't committed any crime because they'll get FBI checks. They have to ensure that they file their taxes and be in compliance with every rule, regulation, and law of the United States.
Even if the justices rule in favor of the executive order, the win could be temporary. The new president elected in November or any future president could reverse it. In Washington, Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.